Bitcoin money cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We hear in every practical sense, will truly give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Bitcoin money. Is BCH in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious way? What will basically be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in an unpretentious way? How pretty high could Bitcoin money at any point go, which is very critical. Our aid will generally provide you with a thought of the Bitcoin money expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to basic truly past cost outlines in a significant manner. Bitcoin money past value examination, which is very critical. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Bitcoin money is $128.78, and BCH is at present certainly position number 27 in the especially whole crypto market in a kind of significant manner. The dissemination supply of BCH basically is 19,344,675 with a market cap of $2,491,256,255 in most recent 24 hours in a significant way. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been somewhere near 0.79% in its ongoing cost esteem in an unpretentious way, assuming we in every practical sense. Think about the 24-hour market cap of the Bitcoin money with yesterday's. You can truly see that the market cap really is likewise in descending pattern. From most recent 7 days, the Bitcoin money basically was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.40%. BCH explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly potential, and this could be for the most part great chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of BCH has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, disposing of an incredible typical cost of $16.84 from its kind of current cost. This unexpected, genuinely descending development sort of implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, and it can be a kind of good purchase and open door for most certainly fast speculation, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 20.87%, and the cost circled from a base typical worth of $101.58 to in every practical sense most extreme really normal worth of $102.71 in the beyond 90 days, which in a real sense is very huge. In every way that really matters, most recent 4 months Bitcoin money generally has shown a developing pattern, which is very critical. Consequently, we feel that comparable pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, which explicitly is very huge, as per irrefutably the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense is expanded from 4 months and in an every practical sense, enormous way. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The coin by and large is up by 10.83%, with the kind of greatest normal cost of the coin was around $118.57, and the really least especially normal cost of explicitly was around $113 in lovely beyond 4 months. We essentially give our altogether commonly greatest verifiable information for the BCH coin, which fundamentally incorporates sort of numerous elements like past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning. In the event that you are looking to basically put resources into digital money market, generally try to peruse our forecasts, which sort of is very critical. Bitcoin money value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money is supposed to reach at the very least value level of $122.34, which is very huge. The BCH cost can really arrive at a greatest worth of $139.09, with the typical exchanging cost of $135.22 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin money value expectation for 2024 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Bitcoin money essentially is generally anticipated to reach at least worth of $191.04. The BCH cost can basically arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $229.69, with the typical exchanging cost of $196.44. Bitcoin money value conjecture 2025 to 2026. The cost of Bitcoin money is by and large anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of $269.38 in 2025, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Bitcoin money cost can in every practical sense arrive at in every way that really matters greatest degree of $324.61, with the typical cost of $277.23 all through 2025, which is very critical. The cost of Bitcoin money generally is for the most part anticipated to truly reach at the very least degree of $395.61 in 2026, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Bitcoin money cost can really arrive at a very most extreme degree of $467.42, with the exceptionally normal cost of $406.70 all through 2026, which by and large is very huge. ECH value expectation for 2027 Bitcoin money cost explicitly is conjectured to basically arrive at a most reduced degree of $564.88 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest degree of $690.31, with the genuinely normal figure cost of $585.22. The Bitcoin money value worth can explicitly arrive at in every practical sense. Limit of $983.70, with the typical exchanging worth of $875.51 in USD. Bitcoin money value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Bitcoin money especially is supposed to especially reach it in every way that really matters. Least degree of $1,212.55 in 2029. The BCH cost can truly arrive at in every practical sense. Greatest degree of $1,478.62, with the kind of typical cost of $1,247.57 all through 2029, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The BCH cost can for the most part arrive at a very greatest value worth of $2,148.53, with the sort of typical worth of $1,866.07 incredibly. Bitcoin money value expectation for 2031. The cost of Bitcoin money generally is supposed to generally reach at the very least worth of $2,540.45 in 2031. The Bitcoin money cost could explicitly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $3,133.03, with the typical exchanging cost of $2,633.75 all through 2031. Bitcoin money value expectation for 2032. Bitcoin money cost by and large is conjectured to in a real sense arrive at a very the most reduced conceivable degree of $3,647.64 in 2032, or so they basically thought. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could sort of arrive at a by and large most extreme especially conceivable degree